Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Right now, let's take a look at the gold market as usual. So in recent few sessions, gold market shows very nice and clear action. It's rather predictable. And yesterday, finally, market has completed our target to the downside and has reached the 1360, 1370 FIB support. It's on the daily chart. Our major suggestion here is that market probably will show some kind of the ABCD down on the intraday charts, because as you can see on the daily chart, the harmonic swing length has been exceeded. This market mostly has completely on double size of this harmonic swing. That's why we think that really could be some deeper downside action, maybe to the 13 even area, something of that sort, but probably retracement should be deep. And that's why we're mostly trading the parts of this large retracement on the daily chart by breaking it on the parts on the intraday charts and trading it separately. So right now, as downward action has been completed to the 1316, we said that we probably should be ready for some upward bounce that will create the BC leg of our possible ABCD pattern. That's what we'll be watching for today's session, maybe even the beginning of the next week as well. So take a look what we have on the hourly chart. Our suggestion yesterday was correct. So based on the positive inflation data in the United States statistics, you could see that market has spiked down this area and has hit the 1618 extension of the butterfly. Right now we see the first leg as reaction on this event, but take a look closely. Here market actually is forming the reverse head and shoulders pattern. So you can see this left shoulder, head. Right now market is forming the right shoulder. So as soon as this right shoulder will be formed, we could get some kind of the ABCD pattern to the upside at the 1361 area. And also, as this level stands actually right inside the gap, so probably market will use this action to close the gap here. Which probably some fluctuation spikes could follow just to close this window that we have on the gold market. That action probably will become in part of the greater A, B, C, D pattern. That should lead us to the final point on the daily chart. So that being said, in today's session we're watching mostly for this ABC action to the 1341, 1343 area and closing of the gap. That's the action that's really could happen today, and maybe even will continue on Monday, because it's really more time will be needed to complete this action. So, and after that we will see what will happen. So, because chances on the deep retracement here is really looks significant right now.